hopefully you guys are in the right class right now. It does say sketchbook number 3. It's just an easier thing to do while I'm away because it's all based just on your creativity alone. So I do not judge if you can't shade, if you can't color nicely. Like, that's not the point of this project. It's just to see how super creative your minds can be. So your assignment is to get a sheet of paper from the front of the room in the top drawer and draw a picture that shows an alternate universe of some type. So I put a couple of examples up there, and I'm going to go over like why not to use those examples in a second. But Candyland, for example. So you could do like a road that has huge peppermint sticks going down the sides as like lampposts, and maybe gumdrops lining it, and maybe the road itself is made out of Nestle chocolate bars. So that's just an example. Now, the reason I don't want you to use the examples that I say is because I want to see how creative you are. I don't want to know how creative I can be. And Candyland, like, that's a thing. It's a game. So if you are not a super creative person, think about things that you could tweak about this world and make it like something more interesting and things that you would never really see. So one more example could be maybe a dog walking a person instead of a person walking a dog. So you could just switch things around and make them a little bit interesting. And now I don't want you to draw a world. I want you to just draw a picture, like a scene. Like if you were going to take a picture of this alternate universe, what would you see? Like what kinds of things do we need to know about your world that's different than everybody else's? When you're finished, I do want you to color them in, so you can feel free to use my crayons, my colored pencils. If you wanted to outline it in marker, that's totally fine at this stage. So do whatever you need to do, but just don't leave white space on the paper. It gets so boring to look at white paper. So if, let's say, you have grass in the sky, make sure you color that grass green. Make sure you color that sky. Maybe the sky isn't even blue. Maybe it's purple. Maybe it's orange. So just make sure you color in all the spaces unless you want something to be white. Okay? That is your challenge. Good luck.